Itzy Sealed Wet Bag with Adjustable Handle by Itzy Ritzy is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. The Itzy Ritzy WBMH 3003 Happy Rainbow Travel Happens Sealed Wet Bag is the best way to store and travel with wet or dry items while still being both eco-friendly and fashionable. The wet bags are made with a 100% cotton designer fabric exterior, and are BPA-Free PVC-Free. Made with thick soft polyurethane laminate waterproof interior lining, and unlike any other bag in its class. Now with an adjustable snap and nylon handle, the wet bag is perfect for on the go, and to attach to strollers, bags, and more. Designed with sealed seams and a lead-free zipper, this bag prevents leaks and odors from getting out while keeping its contents inside. This bag measures 11 inches by 14 inches, provides multiple uses for any age group of your family, and can hold diapers and wipes, cosmetics, gym clothes, beach gear, toiletries, practice sporting items, bibs, bottles, wet baby clothes, food and more. This bag is machine washable and line drying as recommended for easy cleaning. Itzy Ritzy reusable wet bags are perfect for separating wet items while keeping the rest of the items in your diaper bag dry. The manufacturer's wet bags are also perfect for keeping in your beach bag for wet swimsuits or towels, in your gym bag for used workout gear, in your suitcase for toiletries while traveling, or for keeping odors from dirty diapers contained. The adjustable handle of the wet bag snaps open and closed, making it easy to attach to other bags, strollers, or the back of the seat in your car. The manufacturer's wet bags are water-resistant with sealed seams, and include a zipper closure and thick polyurethane interior. The manufacturer's medium wet bag measures 11 inches by 14 inches, machine washable in cold water with light colors, line drying is recommended.